If you've ever felt like healthy eating is a chore or that superfoods are just marketing hype, I want to change your mind right now with something that is actually going to make your body thank you. We're talking about a quinoa salad that is so simple it's almost cheating, yet it's packed with everything your heart needs to stay in peak condition. Let's start with the foundation, the quinoa. If you've had mushy or bitter quinoa in the past, it's likely because of two small mistakes. First, always give your dry quinoa a quick rinse under cold water to get rid of that natural coating called saponin, which can taste soapy. Once it's rinsed, you're looking at a standard 2-to-1 ratio, 2 cups of water for every cup of quinoa. Bring it to a boil, then immediately turn the heat down to a low simmer and cover it. This is where the magic happens. In about 15 minutes, the liquid is absorbed and you're left with these beautiful, fluffy little pearls. Use a fork to fluff it up and let it cool for a moment. This isn't just a grain, it's a complete protein, which is a massive win for your energy levels. While that quinoa is cooling down, we're going to focus on the crunch factor. This is where the salad gets its life. Grab some vine-ripened tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and some vibrant bell peppers. When you're chopping these up, try to get them into uniform, bite-sized pieces so you get a little bit of everything in every single forkful. The tomatoes bring a hit of acidity and sweetness, the cucumbers provide that refreshing hydration, and the peppers add a satisfying snap. Now let's talk about why we're actually doing this, because it's about way more than just a pretty bowl of food. The real star of the show here is fiber. Most of us aren't getting nearly enough of it, but fiber is essentially the scrub brush for your cardiovascular system. By combining the fiber from the quinoa with the raw bulk of these vegetables, you're helping your body manage cholesterol and keep your blood sugar stable. It's a direct investment in your heart health. Every bite is literally helping your blood flow more easily and keeping your arteries clear. To bring it all together, we're keeping the dressing incredibly clean. You don't need a store-bought bottle filled with preservatives, just a generous drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This adds those healthy monounsaturated fats that your heart loves, and it helps your body actually absorb the vitamins from the vegetables. If you want to brighten it up, a squeeze of fresh lemon and a pinch of sea salt will do the trick. Toss everything together until the quinoa is coated and the vegetables are evenly distributed. The best part about this salad is that it actually tastes better the next day after the flavors have had a chance to mingle. You can pack it for lunch, use it as a side for dinner, or just keep it in the fridge for those moments when you're tempted to grab something processed. You're feeding your heart, fueling your day, and it didn't take an hour in the kitchen. Would you like me to suggest some lean protein pairings or a few different homemade dressing recipes to keep this salad feeling fresh all week?